Okay, this question we have done from the tenant's perspective on what? Prepaid and accrued expenses. Yeah, you asked me a question? Yes. However, you can do it. I have another way that that I'm going to show you, but you can do it. That's fine. Right. Then, guys, right. When are they receiving the? So this one we are doing from the landlord's perspective. Yep. When are they receiving the money? 1st of May. 25 and 13.20 per month with GST. Rent is paid 6 months in advance. What's the double entry? 4 receipt 11. Sorry? Prepaid rent? No, not prepaid rent. Why? Whose perspective are we doing this one? Landlord. So that means, what is it, Krishan? Unearned rent revenue, not prepaid. If it was from the tenants, yes, then that's correct. But this one, landlord's perspective. So then we are receiving money, debit bank, credit unearned rent revenue, and GST. Okay. Right. What's the double entry for part B? Steady.
Unearned rent revenue 2,400.
Yep.
Rent revenue credited on 400.
Very good. So rent revenue earned for the period 30th June, memo 12. So it's 2,400. Right? Then. So this question, the question I'm going to ask you is not here. How often are they doing the reports? Quarterly. If they had asked the double entry for September 30th, what's the double entry? Hmm? Okay, rent, debit?
No. Wait, rent revenue.
Yeah. Credit. And debit? Unearned rent revenue, correct. But that is not here. Right? Then we have to do it as of 31st December. Then what is the story? By 31st December, guys? Yep. What is happening? When is the tenant supposed to pay the rent in advance? November, 1st of November, yes. But it is going to be deferred until 1st January for 2 months. Okay. So then what's the impact on the ledger accounts or the double entries? Accrued rent 2,400. What are the months? November and December will be accrued, right? But there is an unearned rent revenue, which is the October month, which is the October. So that we are using from the unearned rent, right? And then, which is 1 month, and then accrued rent revenue 2,400. Any questions with this entry?
Sir, if we do this right now, does that mean we're spared from detention?
No.
No. So we just have to sit there and do nothing. Let's go.
No, not nothing. I'll give you a job.
Okay. Clean the yard?
No.
Wait, there's no way we're supposed to move. Do we? Wait. Oh, look how much space they have. So close the entries and not downstairs.
No, you don't have to do closing entries. Okay, guys. Any questions with this entry, the last one, December 31st? You okay, JT? Gutama? Aston?
Trying it now.
Can you explain it again?
Yeah. You need to explain? Yeah. So then, firstly, you have to draw the timeline. That's the easiest way. Right? How do you draw the timeline, guys? Starting from 1st of May, May 1st, and then June 30th. Right, there are 2 months. So 2 months means how much is the rent? Yep, 2,400. And then after that we have up until September 30th.
So what is that B word?
Which one?
The B word rent for balance.
Rent for 6 months.
Oh.
So rent revenue for the 3 months ending September 30th is how much? 3,600. So that means up until September 30th, how many months have lapsed from the payment? 5. Okay, so 2 months up, 2 months to June 30th, and then 3 months to September 30th. So 5. So there's another 1 month that they have paid in advance. Yes, so that one will be used in October, right? So 1,200. Now this 1,200 is sitting in the unearned rent. Okay, so then we are taking that 1,200 from the unearned rent to the rent, and also there will be 2 months left. What are the 2 months? Right, 2 months will be November and December. So this one is going to be 2,400. So then by 31st December 31st. So then look at this one. So we have 3 months, yes, 1,200 and 2,400. Altogether 3,600. 1,200 times by 3. So that 2,400 hasn't been paid. Then it becomes accrued rent revenue. Okay, so accrued means we have earned the revenue, but we haven't received the money. That is what we did last week. You listen to the recording? Okay. Right. So then basically all of them go into the rent revenue. Okay. Any questions? Right. Then guys, what's the entry on the 1st of January? So now 1st of January, the tenant is coming and paying 6 months. Right? What happens on the January 1st? Bank debit 7920. We are crediting accrued rent revenue 2,400. As it decreases, then unearned rent revenue, a liability is increasing. 4,800, 4 months rent, and then GST clearing 720.
balance day adjustment.
No, this is not a balance adjustment. Then, guys, we have to do the ledger accounts.
Next one that will be. Still maybe. Now. Also things in school, so this is so. So the solar plus is 20 watts. So it's appreciate everything, you know, I know we can have answer this. It's those. Yeah. That's the as well.
Again, unearned revenue is going to be affected on the January 1st. Saying bank 4,800. And then accrued rent revenue will be received January 1st. From bank 2,400. Yep.
And then I think it's gone forward. We have to the one. It's good point to do. Good thing for that. What's it for the fun?
Okay, guys. Now, last question is theory. Explain the effect on account equation of this transaction receipt 15 in vulnerable motors. So in the landlord, what happens? This one? This. Right. Assets increased by
Yeah. So 0.
5,520
Wait,
as
you need to decrease people before you sell.
cash at bank increases by 7,920 and accrued rent revenue reduces by 2,400 as
The 600. No, this was.
rent was received
See the loan.
for 6 months. Right? Next one, liabilities increase by 4,080.
What pay money to the property was. Yeah, just. Um. That was next.
No, not 4,080, sorry. Um,
This
7,920 as unearned.
Oh, yeah.
Rent revenue increases by 4,800. Now this is not 7,920, 5,520 again. 4,900 and GST. Clearing
This is.
increases by 720.
No, I think it's, you're giving it for accounts. They deposit the money.
No impact, no effect on a equity.
So. Wait, don't you say the full tax, which you pay for 8 years, compared to the first year? All the mean is out. Early in the month. You follow. What's up? Is it 5,000? If we bank. Okay, but here's the. If you. I'll fund it, I don't. We didn't fund it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. For the wedding is good.
Done?
Oh, it's not like just beautiful, that's just like rough. But no, when it friends to the exit,
All done.
Yeah, not all done. We are done. Half of the Unit 4. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. Then we can start the revision paper.
Wait, have you already finished your report? And we're going to win it out?
No, half of the Unit 4.
Ah, okay. Oh,
What? All right, guys. This one, what I have given you is post-adjusted trial balance, right? And also we are going to do it, together with the income statement and balance sheet. So, you know my method. I'm going to do everything together. Okay. Huh? Yeah, thank you. So then, yeah, so that's my method. But however, you can follow your own method or your school method, but I don't recommend other methods.
Wouldn't doing all of it at the same time, like especially when you have multiple reports, wouldn't that just be slower overall
No.
compared to doing each report at a time because you can copy exactly?
No. Because the reason is you are going through the question a few times. That's the thing. I'll show you. We are not going to do a report, you know. I mean, I'm going to update the trial balance and then also the reports. So for each and every adjustment, we are going through only once. That's it. Done and dusted. No. You want to do the cash flow? Yeah.
There's cash flow 3-4, right?
Yep. We are not doing it with the cash flow. I mean, this one. Because cash flow is not affected by the balanced adjustments. Balanced adjustment is affected, is affecting revenues and expenses. Yep.
Cash flows. It's not nothing. Cash flow would just be nothing. Nothing. But yeah. Sir,
Yep.
are we gonna do this paper for the rest of the lesson?
Yep. And anything we couldn't do, we will. I'll give you for homework. Homework.
You better complete it this time, otherwise it's a detention again, right?
Yep. Okay, guys. Now, how do you approach the question? Now, this is a 80-mark paper. Okay. 3. 80 marks. So that means only 20 marks behind from your big paper in VC. Yep. Only 20 marks. Right? Yeah. So even we can treat this one as actually a final paper. But yeah, you won't get this hard in the exam. Okay. However, yeah, this can be the hardest that you'll get definitely. Right. So, however, guys, the question number 1 is easier than number 2. Number 2 is even harder. Okay. Did you read the question 2? No. That's going to be your homework.
If we don't complete it, it's a detention.
Complete means you have to try at least. So you can't come just, blank. Yeah, you know what I mean? You have to try.
Like we all got detention for coming in blank.
Yeah. Okay.
I will never come with blank here after. I never want to
Yeah.
be in detention.
Yep.
Because I was just in detention at school last week. I think I told you this before.
Yep. Okay, guys. Now, how do we approach the question? Tell me. Sorry? Yeah, you glance through the question, skim through the question, and then, yeah, if I got this question in the exam, so I can see a trial balance, right? Additional information, and only 4 requirements. 4 requirements. What are the things? Yeah. Part A, prepare the general journal entries for the balanced adjustments as of 30th June 26. Right? Prepare the post-adjusted trial balance. Now, if you can remember, guys, have you done any post-adjusted trial balance in unit 4? No, I mean unit 3 or 4. No, we haven't done. This is the first time we are doing. Sorry. No. That's not correction of errors. Post-adjusted trial balance means what? Yeah, after balanced adjustments, we are going to prepare another one. If you become an accountant, yes, you'll have to do it in the business as well. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's the process. You just do the trial balance pre-adjusted without doing any balance day. Then you run the balanced adjustments. Then you do the post-adjusted. Then income statement, balance sheet.
You know how you use the trial balance to determine errors? Like you know those things you told us that
Yep.
errors.
No, trial balance is not to determine errors necessarily. There are some errors that we can find from the trial balance.
You know how the doesn't have a like on debit and credit.
Yep.
And then when we find the.
You are going to fix them. Yeah, they also can be part of the balance day. Yeah, I mean if you found them beforehand.
The price adjustment.
Yeah, you can also do in the pre-adjusted, but mainly adjustments means balance day adjustments, not necessarily errors,
Wait,
because errors can be fixed at any time.
wait, writing off bad debt balance days.
What do you think?
Like when you.
If it was on the last day, yes. If it was on the last day of the period, if it was on the balance day, yes. Otherwise, bad debts can be written off at any time. Okay. All right, guys. Now you can, if you want, you can read the question. So what are the things that you will go for? Oh, sorry, we didn't finish the requirements. Okay, so we are preparing the post-adjusted income statement and balance sheet. Right? Now see, prepare the income statement for the year. That means we are going to do it for how many months?
12 months.
12 months. Okay. So be careful every time it is not 1 year. Okay. Now, for example, next question is not for 1 year. Right. Then we know we are going to prepare this for 12 months. Right. Now, business applies 50% markup. Reports they prepare every 12 months at 30th June. Right. Now, where are we going to start, guys? I mean, if you want, you can read the trial balance. See, this is the pre-adjusted trial balance. Okay.
So,
Yep.
is that black and white photo at the office over there, a photo of Dr. Yu's dad?
Let's talk about later.
I just wanted to know. 'Cause I'm-
Yeah, I think it's his uncle. Okay. You have to find it out.
Yes, because I'm like, so why do I see a random picture of that?
Okay. Right. Okay. So have a look at this one, guys. Right. If you want, you can read the just trial balance, right? And then where you are going to start these kind of questions is with what? Yes? Where would you start? Anybody knows?
Skim. No. The reporting period. Wait.
Reporting period? No. Where would you start the question? Additional information. Okay. Usually, guys, remember this one. Additional information means, unless otherwise stated, they are not recorded in the ledger accounts or general journal or any other place, right? Meaning, everything in the additional information should be posted based on the double entry basis. So if you are doing anything for additional information, what do you have to do? You are going to run the double entry for that. Meaning, at least 2 reports will be affected. Right? 2 reports will be affected. Right? Okay, now look at this one. 30th June. A van was traded in for 3,100 on a new van with the cost price 23,000 plus GST. Right? The new van was purchased using the cash borrowed. The old van had been purchased for 20,000 and had the carrying value of 3,500 by the time it was trading. So now tell me the double entries. Have you done disposal? Yeah, I have forgotten. Seriously, I have forgotten. Yeah.
So, I think someone I forgot to mention.
Yeah.
Depreciation.
Depreciation. What do you think? Do you have to do the depreciation?
Yeah.
For this one? No. Yes. Yes. Yep. You have to do the depreciation. What do you think? Some people says no depreciation. Yes. You do depreciation for the first one. No. Yes.
Why?
Yes, question? You do the depreciation?
Put it on like, yeah, you put it on like the times of the phone. This is the old van. Okay, you- no,
Maybe we're able to do it so that you can.
How much it was worth?
Work, it's work together.
It is worth now. Yep.
wait, hang on.
But carrying value is there. So you have to do you have to do the depreciation? Yeah? Yeah. Agreed? All of you are wrong.
So I was right.
Yeah, you were right. He was right. He was right. Yeah, you don't have to do the depreciation. Why? For this one, I mean. Why? Depreciation is done. But we have to do the depreciation expense, which is later, we'll do it, right? But for this one, because why? There are more vans here. See? Vans, 40,000 here. Right? That means we can assume there are two vans. Because why? The old van was 20,000. So 20,000 times 2, there are two vans. Yes? Yeah. So we have to do the depreciation as a balance day. But for this one, we don't have to worry.
I was right for all the wrong reasons.
Yeah.
Wait,
You were right.
it's not-
You don't understand?
I was rated it, how would it be gonna put 2 grand between thousand?
No, no, no. I'm saying, yeah, see, the old van had been purchased at 20,000. See? And this one, that no, we haven't done anything. That's why it has been given. Okay, shall we do it? Yeah, depreciation we'll do later for all the vans. So that means they had two vans, including the one they traded in. That's what I mean.
What is your depreciation for the banks and then do the trading?
Yeah, you can do that as well. Yeah, that's the correct point. But at this point, we'll deal with this. Then because why? We are coming across about the van later. See? Depreciation is 25%.
Let's just say we did it first. Then
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Why it's all included. Make sense? Yeah, so that depreciation is anyway included. So you don't have to really worry. Okay? Make sense? Or is there a confusion?
wouldn't it? Okay. Wouldn't it be easier? Because like
Yeah, either way, that's fine. Either way, we don't really, it doesn't matter.
when you depreciate, because you have to depreciate the first year.
Hmm.
And the carrying value they've given 3,500.
So the depreciation for the traded in van has been calculated separately. Right? So but when we do the depreciation, because there's another van, another old van, so then because why? When are they trading it in? On the last day of the period. Yep. Okay. So then
I think you have to like you transfer.
No.
okay guys, what's the double entry for the disposal? Tell me.
20,000.
20,000, yes. Debit draw.
Close to it. This,
I think you should put it.
no, it's not. We need this depreciation. Just
Right. Next one.
give that depreciation.
How much?
You have
16,500. Everyone is okay how we got 16,500? So basically, what do you do?
minus the 500.
Yeah, 20,000, take away 3,500, yes? Carrying value. So then 16,500. And where do you credit?
Storage.
Right, next entry,
And
van. Van, how much?
8,000.
3,100. 3,100 credit. Credit. Disposal of van. Next one.
What's undisposable?
Loss on disposal of van. Why is it loss
Because caravan is
than the trading value? So we are trading it for a less value, low value. At the same time, can I ask you some theory questions? Yeah. What are the reasons for loss on disposal? Over depreciation
not enough.
or depreciation, lower demand,
It's superseded by a new model.
preceded by old one or new one. Overstated carrying value. So you will have overstated carrying value because of the over depreciation or under depreciation. Hmm?
What did overstated carrying value be because of underdepreciation?
Under depreciation and or yeah, under depreciation, yes, under depreciation, not over. Okay, if it was over, then we would get a gain, loss. I mean, sorry, profit on disposal. So why do we have an under depreciation? Because of overstatement in what? Sorry, no, not carrying value. Overstating carrying value. Why would you overstate the carrying value? Because overstate in the what? No. Residual value and overstating residual value and the life. Hmm? Right. Last one, guys. What's the entry for the last one? The new one, how much? 23,000, yes? 23,000, yeah, plus GST. Yeah. So then when is going to be debited? Yeah, then tell me the double entry. Double entry? When? Debit? How much? 20? Wrong.
It will be 20,000 minus 3,100.
3,100? Yes.
Taking this over.
GST clearing how much? 2,300. Bang. You credit. So everyone is okay with this value, 19,900, 23. Take away 3,100.
I think it's 222.
It's 222.
Yeah, sorry. 222, yep. 222.
Narration.
No, narration not required. Narration, don't worry about the narration. Yeah, if you are going to do the narration, then it will be like, it will take ages. Nope. Yeah, we have done enough narration. I'm not really bothered about narration. I mean, why I do narration, especially if schools don't do narrations, yes? Yeah, that's the thing. Some schools don't do narrations at all.
Wow, why is that? Then how are the students meant to learn properly?
Exactly. Okay, guys. Yep. Right. Then we can do the vans are depreciated at 25% per annum. Diminishing. What is diminishing? We haven't learned that one, have we? Zero. No. Diminishing balance method means still reducing, right? Otherwise, there is another one on carrying value. they can say on carrying value are still reducing. Yeah, on carrying value. Remember, we have done on cost. On cost means what? On cost price means what? Straight line. On carrying value means or diminishing, reducing. Okay. Don't say that you haven't learned this. Yeah, it is reducing. Okay. Right. Tell me how to calculate the depreciation on reducing.
And value times.
Yes. Yep. Carrying value. How do we get the carrying value, guys?
Van minus PA.
When minus. Okay. Before we do that one, guys. 40,000? No, not 40,000. One. Okay. Before we do the depreciation, now we are done with the first balance day adjustment. Now we'll record the impacts on that on the trial balance. How? What is the net impact of this one? We did how many? 5 sets of double entries. What's the net impact of this one?
Depreciation.
Depreciation? No, not depreciation. Yeah, loss on disposal. This one. When?
And
Yep. And GST. Yep. So these are the impacts, guys. Okay, and accumulated. Right. Then what are we going to do? Right. Firstly, we'll go to the van. Van, what happens? Yep. Van, what happens? 20,000 is gone and 23,000 is coming. Everyone is clear with that? Yeah. So then 40,000, what you can do is right here. Probably here. Plus 23,000 minus 20,000. Yeah, 43,000. Right? Then accumulated minus 16,500. Right? Then bank. Bank is how much? Minus 19,900. No, 22,200. Yes. $22,200. And then this one will be then how much? 24,000, yes? Overdraft. And then GST plus or minus, guys, GST minus 2,300. And then that's it. And we have one more thing, loss on disposal. Yep. Okay. Now loss on disposal we can't see here, right? Then shall we go and record straight away these things in the new trial balance, which we call as the post-adjusted trial balance. Okay. Right? Okay. So I'll start with van then. $43,000. Then next one, accumulated depreciation of van. This one amount, just hang on for a minute. we are going to update it because we have to do the depreciation as well. Then we'll do it later. Right. Next one, guys. Loss on disposal of van. Right. Loss on disposal of van. How much? 400. Right. Okay. Done. Any questions up to now? Right. Now. Right. Next one, guys. The double entry for the depreciation. How much is the depreciation now? Van is 40, accumulated 32. So 40,000. We have to get the carrying value. Carrying value is 8,000. Everyone is okay with that. 40 take away 32 yes. So 2,000.
Hey, sir, someone's sniffing a pen here. That's dangerous. They could cause irreversible brain damage.
Yeah, that's okay.
What? What? If he dies, what?
Oh,
Him.
Christian, don't worry. He's insured for 20 million. We have public liability. His parents will get the money. He won't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
If you guys are, if something happens to you, you don't know. If something happens to you in these premises, not on the staircase though, right? I don't think you are insured
Who's
there.
paying the money?
The insurance company.
Oh, yeah.
What about Medicare? Doesn't Medicare bill?
No,
Medicare like free insurance for everyone.
no, it's not an insurance. It's your benefit. The free health benefit is the Medicare.
It's free in the sense, like you told me, it's free in the sense that you don't pay anything to the hospital, but you still have to pay taxes.
Yeah, even you earn money. Yep. Everybody has to pay 1.5 to 2% on their earnings, not the profit or anything, earnings.
Yeah.
Personally, okay? Not the companies. Personally, they pay.
So just in case the pen causes irreversible brain damage for him.
He's covered. I mean,
Yes.
his family is covered, not him. Yep. Okay, guys. Yeah. So then depreciation is how much? Yep. Depreciation 2,000, yes. What's the double entry for the 2,000? Christian, do you remember the double entry? No. That's the problem. That's why you guys don't practice. Right? Gutama, you remember the double entry? Sana? No? My good. Punara for the depreciation 2,000? No.
I don't even know what his name is.
You remember Dom? The double entry for depreciation?
Accumulated depreciation.
Hmm?
That's accumulated.
No.
Depreciation value.
Sorry, depreciation. Okay, what is debit and what is credit?
Credit and debit accumulated depreciation.
And debit, credit?
Credit of depreciation.
You are close.
Isn't it debit, credit, and depreciation?
Just They did what's the double entry? Yeah, you did the depreciation expense of van and credit the accumulated. Okay, guys, then what do we do with this 2000? So 2000 you would add to the accumulated, right? Now we can update the accumulated. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, go.
Wait, are we just gonna put the P&L summary in the adjusted trial balance,
Yeah.
or do we report the expenses separately?
Yeah. P&L summary and no, we are not doing P&L summary.
Separately. Expenses around.
Yes. That's the closing entries. We are not doing. I'm not doing closing entries here. If you want, you can do.
So we also report the
Yeah. Okay, that's a good question. So what do we do firstly? Pre-adjusted trial balance, then balance adjustment. Then we prepare the post-adjusted trial balance. After that, we do the closing and balancing entries. We close the revenues and expenses. That's it. When is your SAC for the last one in Unit 3? June. First week of June. Christian? 19 May.
No, so no.
Well, how do you guys know? They haven't even told the date yet. They just said it's week 7. Oh, but I checked like yesterday. It was. It's
5th of June.
That means we have to do a revision next week, yes?
Friday. Actually, calling cash flow in.
Do you get the doubtful dates?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, doubtful dates, however, we have done enough, yes? You need any questions for doubtful dates? You guys done? Doubtful dates? Huh? You did. You did, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
So you are going to get the closing entries and cash flow only. Yeah, closing and cash flow. Okay.
Wait.
It's 11, 12, that's it. Oh, no, it's 10.
Indicators are you getting? No.
Oh, wait, gross profit.
Gross profit and total profit. Those are good.
And cash flow form.
No, this one says just gross profit net.
No, see it, cash flow comes with cash flow statement.
I think I'll get it.
You get yeah. So when I say closing entries, income statement is included. Are you going to get balance sheet? No.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We get extracts sometimes.
Yeah, but however, now you should be fine with balance sheet when we do this one. Okay. Sorry. Okay, guys, now. Oh, sorry. So we can yeah. So then, how much is accumulated depreciation? 17,500. Yes. Yeah. Then we can update it here, guys. Accumulated. We had already written 17,500. Make sure it's on credit, and also we can do the depreciation expense. Um, 2,000.
income statement.
Sorry, we'll do the income statement and balance sheet together. Still, we'll do this one. I mean, if you want, we can do it.
Let's do that.
Huh?
Let's do that.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do.
The income statement. What do you have? We should have been. Because you should check if the balance is when you complete the stock rounds.
Right. Next one, guys. Third one. Okay. During June, a sale of 4,000 plus GST was made to A. Jelin, followed by a deposit 1,000, where Jelin had paid earlier in the month. No record being made for invoice 36. Right. How do you do this one?
Unearned rent, unearned sales revenue.
Unearned sales. Okay. What's the double entry, guys? Unearned.
The thing is, 3,000 plus 1,000 or 4,000. That's not tough.
Okay. What do you think?
I thought it was 1,000,
No, so. Spoiler by.
Followed by a
So
Wait, 1,000.
we made a credit, we made some for the sale,
Hmm.
the eight girling, and then they made $1,000.
I have another complaint of that. No, it's water. This is literally water. That's the disgusting one. Yeah.
We cashed it.
It's water. It's not
Is
stored.
there is the other bathroom open?
No, it's locked.
Where's GC?
I don't know.
It's so then this is why I called Dr. You in the first place to solve issues like this.
What is this?
Yeah, but I don't know.
What is this?
Can you check at the same place if there is soap or anything? You know, Punara, where it's soap is? Yeah?
It should be in the cupboards in the kitchen.
Should be in the kitchen cupboards. Try? Yeah. Something. Okay, guys, yes. What's the confusion?
It's just 1,000.
1,000. What is 1,000?
Unearned 1,000 rent and sales tax.
No, he said the wording is confusing.
Sounds like either it's 4,000 plus 1,000 or 3,000.
What do you think? 3,000 plus 1,000? Yeah. So what's the selling price? Total selling price 4,000, 3,000, 5,000. Which one? Yeah, 4,000 is the selling price. Correct. So see, sale of 4,000 was made to A. Girlin, followed by a deposit. So that means, well, how much is the selling price? Selling price is 4,000. Yeah.
Followed by means it's off. That's like
No, followed by means like, yeah, followed by means like the after the deposit. Yeah. So sale was made after so deposit happened first, right? But however, the selling price is 4,000. So selling price is 4,000, however.
Mm.
Yep.
Mm.
It should be a comment. This better be off.
Hmm.
It's when you can.
So it's only. You probably see from when you're here. We'll give them Facebook.
Which have-
You know this thing.
Oh, yeah, okay, I get it.
When you put the order in, you give them the money, you receive the money, but you haven't given them the someplace. On that, because.
Wait. Oh, yeah, earlier.
You were right, there are some facilities that they get you out.
She was correct.
Wait, okay, wait, so.
She was correct.
So the sale is made on the last day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sale is made on the last day.
Okay.
The sale is a balance sheet.
It's okay.
Okay, 7 October.
Yeah, don't sit.
Thank you, 7 Go. Because I don't know her name, that's why I called.
Punara.
Huh?
Punara.
No.
That, okay. But the same as a balance is.
Yeah, this one is yes. Okay.
Okay, that means every transaction three balance stages.
No, not every transaction.
It could occur at any time, but doesn't mean it's balance statement. Okay.
On the if it was on the last day of the period and no record has happened, that's the balance day.
So any transaction that happens in the last day.
No. No, that's wrong. Any transaction that happens on the balance day is not a balance day. Balance day just. Yeah, there can be sales on the last day, on the last minute, yes, last second, but it's not a balance day.
For the next period.
Balance day adjustment is transactions that happen on the last day that haven't been recorded or that should be updated in the reports. So let's say for some reason it was missed. Now see this one, invoice 36, no record has happened. Right, that's the problem is. You guys don't read the question.
So it's a correcting. So
Not a correcting entry.
it's
No,
omission.
yeah, omission. Yeah, that's correct. It's an omission. Okay. So then what's the double entries, guys, for this? Debit the bank? Debit the bank? No. Who said debit the bank? It's not a bank. Go ahead. Accounts receivable. Receivable, yes. Accounts receivable?
Sir, it makes me want to vomit thinking about that.
Yeah, we had to update the J date again, correct? June 30th. And this one, June 30th again. Accounts receivable. How much? 3,400. And then you debit. Sorry.
What's 31? Or just say or it's because GST.
Unknown sales. Thousand. And then sales 4,000. GST clearing 400.
Set.
Sorry,
Set.
cost of sales 50%, yes. 2,667. Huh? Inventory.
Yeah, it's 266. Wait, so I didn't get like.
What?
Oh, wait, so. Yeah, like.
But
I
didn't
didn't
do
get
it.
like the sequence, like the transaction.
Yeah. So what is the first entry that had happened? They had debited the bank. Yep. Bank debit how much? 1,000. Don't write this one. You credit the unknown sales. 1,000. Yes. This is what has happened. So that is here. Yes. Unknown sales, there is 16,000, but that 1,000 is included in the 16,000. Okay? Then what happens? That had happened. Now what are we doing? Now we are converting the unknown sales into sales. Hmm? So then we debit the unknown sales with this. So when we receive the deposit,
Yes, no, honest.
sorry, no effect.
Net effect on unknown sales is nothing.
No, unknown sales will be reduced by 1,000.
Be credited 1,000, debited 1,000.
No, I'm saying this is what had happened because he said he didn't understand the sequence. So this is the one. This is the entry that had happened during the period before we come to the balance date.
Why did that issue?
Because when the girl paid the deposit 1,000
Oh,
for the sale,
what's that?
you didn't understand the
Wait, so
question.
it's like an advance payment for the sale that the firm would make payment.
Firm would, sorry.
Is it like an advance payment?
Yes.
And
Remember our unknown sales?
yeah,
You forgot it.
uh,
Remember?
yeah, and then
Yeah. So when they make the
they're paying by the inventory without receiving it.
yes, correct. So it's like you are paying me, yeah, for the next month's fees. So that means by the end of this month, so I would be having an unknown sales. Yep. So, but when I provided you the service, or when I deliver the product, the goods to you, then I can claim it as a sales. So when I receive the deposit, it's an unknown sales because there is no transaction, no exchange of product. But when I deliver you the product, then I'm earning the revenue. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, next one. Sorry, before that, we have to update the trial balance. So firstly, accounts receivable 3,400 plus 3,400, right? And then GST plus how much? 400, and then sales 4,000. Yes. Sorry.
GST plus one.
Yeah. Put. Yep. Sales plus 4,000. Then unknown sales minus 1,000.
Yeah.
And then cost of sales plus 2,667. And then inventory minus 2,667. Yep.
Sir,
Yep.
so when do I get to eat my banana?
Hold on. 3,400. Yep. Okay, guys. Then next one. Accrued wages as at 30th June is 500. Yes. What's the double entry? Accrued wages.
Debit, wage.
Debit accrued wages and credit.
Oh no, debit, wait, debit, it's not debit wages.
Sorry?
Credit. Yeah.
Credit accrued wages and debit wages.
Are we not gonna update the trial balance for the last month?
Yeah, we'll do. Yeah, unknown sales we can do actually. Hold on. Wages 400. Accrued wages 400. Okay, so wages go there and plus 400 wages. Plus 400. Right? And then accrued wages. Yeah, then shall we update the rest? Unknown sales will be how much, guys? 15,000. And then wages and accrued wages. No, wages will accrued wages 400. Wages is
It's not fun. Work. You will, record.
no 500 is wages how much? Sorry guys, wages accrued wages is 500. Yep. Where did I get 400 from? Accrued wages guys 500. And wages as a result 7,500. Yes. Right. Number 5, at inventory take, businesses inventory card had the balance of 1,000 more than in the inventory take. Yeah. Inventory card had a balance of 1,000 more than the inventory take. So yeah, so inventory loss or inventory gain or nothing. What is it? Inventory? No, doesn't make sense. Yeah, at the inventory take, inventory card had a balance 1,000 more than the inventory take. So for example, let's say inventory take was 10K. Inventory card is 11K. Yes. So what is it? Inventory loss or a gain? Gain?
No loss. No.
Yeah, inventory loss, correct. So meaning inventory card is greater means inventory take is lower, meaning losses 1,000. So what's the double entry? Yep. Inventory loss. Awesome. And you credit. Yeah.
So, when do we put our food?
Yeah, in a few minutes. Okay, guys, then we can update the inventory. Inventory will be -1,000. Yep. And then we have inventory loss. Inventory loss in the yep. Okay, guys, you want to try this one? The term deposit one? Yeah, try it. Inventory loss?
Yeah.
1,000. Wages.
Actually. You say take it again to take some money out or you can watch it?
In it.
You're the right control. You take it. This is being. This is being. Ten deposit was debited 10,000 in the pre-adjustment balance.
Hmm. Yep. How?
What did that mean?
Where would you have created? No. You are saying you are talking about the term deposit.
Yeah.
So term deposit is debited. Where would you have created? Where?
And
That's it. Yeah. When you are doing, I'll just remind because you are very good at reading. You might have already read. Yeah. So see, there is interest revenue 200. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
You saw that because you are excellent at reading. Yeah. So 200, there's only 200. Having that in mind, do it.
I will walk. What will be paid then? You get paid every, you know, what? Right, yeah. Yeah. Annually, I'll get it close to that. Okay. Who are we doing that? Let's consider it real big. Get one real. So, where you going? I'm gonna. I think I'm going to such a big thing. Oh, okay, okay. Look at the eighth thing. Yeah. Eight English, four English. Do that one. Excellent, guys. Some more questions. Like it. Guys, thanks. Okay. Yes. We're not getting.
So there's a big problem with the toilet. The toilet's too outdated. This is why I wanted to call Dr. Yu.
It's AI.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
How much did you get? What's the double entry?
It's. Like 80%. That's alright.
Yeah.
They're very accrued. Is it accrued? Yeah.
According to us, how much?
400.
400?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you get sample?
It's not on.
What is it? Debit? Accrued interest rate, how much? 400? And how much? I do think it's 408. How do you think you're 400?
No, do you do something on the two?
Okay. Did you do something on that?
No. 200.
No. Not that way, percentage on it. Yeah,
Yeah.
how much?
177.
No.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, some of you have got it, guys. What's the double entry? Aston?
Credit, debit, and
Unearned interest revenue, accrued interest revenue,
and credit, on credit interest revenue. And then. I'm not sure, I don't know, I'm not sure. Also,
okay, guys, yes. So, term deposit on 1st November, right? And then interest is earned and received annually on October 31st. So why do you have 200 here, guys? Yep, 200 sitting here. Why? Because when they received the interest revenue, right? What is this year? 30th June 26. That means when they receive the interest on 31st October 25, right? Because they are preparing annually. So that means 4 months interest have been earned and received in that period itself, right? What are the months? July to October, 4 months. So then how much is interest? Term deposit is how much? 10,000. 10,000 times by, yeah, 6%. If you want to calculate monthly, divide by 12, which is 50. Right? You don't calculate the interest on 200, only 10,000. Yeah, 50. 50 times by 4 is 200, and 50 times by 8 is 400. What is 8? From 1st of November to 30th June. There are 8 months. So in months, interest has been accrued. What's the double entry? You debit the interest revenue. Sorry, accrued interest revenue. Not unearned, okay? Accrued. Because we have earned the interest revenue, haven't received it yet. 200? No, 400, yes. And then you are crediting interest revenue. Right. If you want to update the interest, so interest revenue will be how much? 600. Accrued interest revenue. $400. Yeah. Right. If you want, you can update the 200 in the. I'm sorry, in this one. If you want, you can add 400. Yeah. You can take a break, guys. We'll see you in 5 minutes.
Oh, the guy.
It's a 20% increase, but then.
Yep.
I mean, original price was 1,000.
Yeah, original was 1,000. So that 1,000 was applied for July and August in 25. And then from 1st September, the rent was 1,200. 1,200 times by how many months? 10 months, so which is 12,000 plus. For that, you are adding another 2,000. That is 1,000 times by 2, which is altogether 14,000. So 14,000 was a double entry. Debit the rent expense and credit the prepaid rent. Yes.
Yeah. That was usually.
Did you calculate net credit sales yourself?
Yeah, net credit sales.
You calculate it yourself?
Yeah, net sales. You don't have to worry about the net credit sales here, net sales only.
See, might just announce there it is. Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, done. Yep. What's the double entry for the 1650?
Debit, credit, expense.
Debit bad debts expense,
GST,
debit GST,
credit.
accounts receivable. Yes. Allowance for doubtful debt what? Credit. Yes. How much? 1650?
Accounts receivable, credit, 16.
Accounts receivable credit is 1650. So you are debiting bad debts. Yeah, debiting bad debts, debiting GST,
Credit,
crediting other two.
looks like combined.
No, you don't have to combine. You don't combine.
Oh, you didn't combine?
No.
You did separately, yeah?
Yep.
Right. I thought it was like the same, one source one.
No. It's not one source document. Where does it say one source document? And if you combine it, it's wrong. Yep.
Oh.
Any other answers?
See, credit accounts receivable,
Credit accounts receivable is?
debit, accounts deducted.
Hmm?
Debit GST,
Yep. How much?
last deducted is 1500.
Yep.
And received is 650.
1650.
And then for the setting up the bad debt expense.
Yeah. So first we will finish this one. So I did debit the allowance for doubtful debt.
Well, good down. Yeah.
Yes, Pranav, how much was the doubtful debt? 1500. And then you debit bad debts. How much? And credit allowance for doubtful debt. Yes. 4000. How did you get 4000? 4080. 400 is the balance. Yep. So then we'll do the ledger account, guys. 4150. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, we'll do the ledger account here. For allowance for doubtful debt. Yeah. Opening balance is 400. Yes.
Yeah.
And then you are debiting 1500. Accounts receivable. And then what happens? Then how much is our sales 154,000. No, 154. Yes. Or sales, and then take away sales returns 5,000, which is 149,000 times by 2%. 2%, which is 2,980. So 2,980. What's the entry for this one, guys? You're going to balance. 2,980 is the closing balance. Right, so that you have an opening balance from the credit side. Yes. As a matter of balancing, 4480. 4480. So then 4,080 is, what is it? Bad debts. Yeah, this is the method that you should follow. Okay, Sanna, did you follow the ledger account?
Yeah.
You made a mistake? Okay. So 4,080, guys, the double entry for that is bad debts, you debit, and then you credit allowance for doubtful debt. Right, now we can update it, guys. Was there any bad debts account?
No.
Bad debts, no. Bad debts, we'll write it here. $4,080. And then allowance for doubtful debt. Yeah, how much is allowance for doubtful debt? SLC. Yes, allowance for doubtful debt, how much? Balance? No, no. Yeah, 2,000, 2,980. Yes, Christian, what's the balance for allowance for doubtful debt? Next question. How much? 2,980. Yeah, closing balance. Don't take anything else. That's why I asked you. I know some of you have confused. Yes, not the total that you are writing, not the 4,080 either. Right? 2,980 is the balance. Right? Okay, that's it, guys. Now that's it really, but for the balance day, that's it.
That's it for the balance there.
Balance day, yes, adjustments. That's it. Now we have to start from the beginning in the trial balance. We'll do it. Okay. Firstly, accounts receivable I didn't update. GST also I didn't update. Yeah, I missed those two. Yeah, GST how much? You debit 150 means you subtract 150. And then accounts receivable also you are subtracting how much? 1,650. Yeah, now we can update the rest. Okay, accounts payable nothing.
Sure.
Accounts payable. 44, 800. Yep. Then accounts receivable,
15, so.
15 or 14. $14,050, yes?
Yeah.
Accounts receivable,
49.
yeah?
Yeah.
Accounts receivable, next one. Allowance for doubtful debt done, bank will be 24,000, which is overdraft. Right? Yeah. No, we write bank. We write bank overdraft in the in the balance sheet only. Okay, capital, same, 46,900. Next one, cost of sales, 12,667. No, 102,000, yes? 102. Under 2667. Inventory write down. We didn't do any double entry for inventory write down, guys. No? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it has been done. So that means we don't have to worry about it. Just write it, inventory write down 1,500.
Discount.
What is it?
Discounts.
Discount. Which one? Huh? Which discount? Did I miss anything?
Discount.
Ah, yes, I have missed a lot. Yeah, after cost of sales, I have gone straight away to the inventory write down. Next one is discount expense 800, discount revenue 300. Three hundred, yes. 800, 300, and then freight in 1,000. GST clearing. Thousand, 1,450. GST clearing is a negative one. That means debit 1,450. Interest revenue 600. Oh, hold on. Interest revenue, didn't you write it? I'm sorry, guys. Interest revenue we have already written. A bit. Interest only we have done.
Where did you make your hands?
Inventory. Did we do? No. We haven't, yes. Yeah, 40,000, 333. Then next one.
Also.
You need to write down we done. Loan. Yeah, just remember this one, guys. Loan. If you want, we can do it right now. It's repayable 500 per month. Okay. Loan 25,000. If you are going to forget, you can put here. That means how much is the current liability? 500 times 12, 6,000, yes? Premises 120. Prepaid rent done. Sales, have we done? No. Sales and sales returns.
Please.
You sure? Not enough space.
The next page.
Term deposit, how much? 10,000.
Yeah.
Now we, first COVID is all the interviews, like, they-
The rest has been done, yes? We did van. Accumulated. Yeah. It's a matter of adding. Yeah, please edit, guys. It takes longer for me.
Some. Oh, you did those names, so. A, B, C, B two, B two, all the way to the someone or B two, B. So. Bro, what, our next extra faction was. Much too. Look, the way he fancy one. Sorry. Perfect font.
Yeah, 331.
33168. So
It's H1. I think.
Is that what you got? 231,580? Yeah, sorry, 330, yes. Yep. 330, 580?
it's not that.
How about
Not balancing?
Useless to a bro. Now you expect that to be accurate,
What is he doing?
but that's just added everything the right time and minus everything.
Yeah, what's the difference?
Not 3,000.
3,000.
so that's difference?
Yeah.
Or do I have to hand it over to you?
And you know, but once
I did not meeting the empty value.
Don't worry, sir, I'm putting it away. Sir, I'll put it away.
What's the time for that spread? 120?
For one.
Oh, what? I got 371,580.
oh,
What do you mean? I'm like connected to the bank.
over 425 and go to.
But what are you getting me numbers from there?
You got 2 to that. Did you get that?
No.
David.
No,
Almost 200 that.
no way.
David.
No, I got 371,580.
The was from this. Please also.
We can do it. Right, you're gonna check you that. Or we're gonna like sound of German stuff. Just sad question. What? I thought that's morning coming before that we get nothing. It's not white chili, bro.
Cost of sales, yes? No, capital. Capital is 86, 900. Cost of sales 102,667. Yep. Cost of sales 102. Inventory write down done. Discount expense 800. discount revenue 300. Yes, discount expense. $800, and then discount revenue. I'll write it here.
Oh my god, I mixed up things, oh dear. Uh, watching time.
Discount revenue 300. Freight 10,000. Freight in 1,000. And then GST is debit. Did you do at the school GST receivable when it is 1450? Yeah, current asset. And then we have inventory, which is 40,000, 333. Then loan, we have two parts, yes. Loan, non-current liability. um, 6,000, and down here 19,000. Because you have only one non-current, you can write all the way in the last column. Oh, sorry, time deposit, yep. Premises 120,000. And then term deposit 10,000. Sorry, before that, sales 154, sales returns 5,000. Which is 149. And then term deposit 10,000. What is it, guys? Current or non-current? Non-current. Term deposit 10,000. Yeah, that's it, Tess. Now it's a matter of adding and subtracting. And before that, we have right here, what is it? Less other expenses. So let's finish it off with income statement. 03667. So
The entity gross loss.
Sorry?
The entity gross loss.
Yeah, can be. It can be.
Why you pay on my stuff?
Is the net profit 14,953? Is that what you look? Yeah. So net profit we are going to add in the owner's equity. Yeah.
Per assets.
Yep.
Initially 55,653.
Really?
Minus the
Ah, allowance for doubtful debt added. Yeah, let me fix the allowance for doubtful debt, guys. $14,050, yes. Less allowance for doubtful debt 2980. Right, so then I'm getting What is it? No, detention still didn't start.
Detention started already.
Okay.
What? Oh dear. No, please, no, please. I've got some place to go to, please.
Subordinate,
I've got a place to go to. And besides, what are we meant to do for it? We've done the work. We went through the work together, sir. What are we meant to do for it? Just clean up the yard? Just clean up the yard?
no,
Huh?
no.
What?
Yeah.
I'll just get out of this. There's nothing you can do to stop. Okay, this is good. This is slow. This is slow.
How much was it?
556.
55653, correct?
This ain't slow. Welcome to skates. Huh? Then I wouldn't.
It's not bad.
Is it 211,153? No. How much?
103,000.
103,000? No, can't be.
This is more expensive. Yes, negative.
You got the total? No.
Wait, how are you getting 211,000?
What? You had the last column in the assets.
Oh, yeah. More off by 10. What about us? Oh, yeah. Yeah, should work.
Yeah, 211.53 balance.
Let me see. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, why after 10? I did. Wait, no, I'm not switching.
But what if you
Wait,
just
says.
Yeah.
Wait, says.
Okay, guys, then we are done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me.
I'm not.
Actually.
This is not school.
Professional.